Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add dummy in Roblox using a simple method that works smoothly. First of all, open Roblox Studio and create a new experience or open an existing one that you want to work on. Once the game loads, look at the top bar and click on the Plugins tab. This is where you will find the tools needed to insert the dummy into your game. Now, under the Plugins tab, click on Rig Builder. This tool allows you to insert different types of dummy characters that you can use for testing or development purposes. You will see options like R6 and R15. Select the one that suits your game. R15 is more commonly used because it offers more joints and smoother movements. As soon as you select the rig type, the dummy will appear in your workspace. You can move it around, rotate it, or customize it as needed using the Explorer and Properties panel. If you want to change the appearance or add accessories to your dummy, just expand the dummy model in the Explorer and make changes to its parts like the head, torso, and limbs. Once you are happy with the dummy's placement and appearance, don't forget to save your project. You can also click on play to test and see how it looks inside your game. And that's it, now you know how to add dummy in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.